In this video, I'm going to show you how to unban your Roblox account on a mobile device. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser on your mobile device. So if you're on an Android device, then please go ahead and open up Google. Once you're over here, please go ahead and look up Roblox support just like so, then go to the official www.roblox.com website right over here. Once you're over here, it is going to give you a screen that looks like this, and where it says contact us, you want to go ahead and put in the username of your banned account, and of course the first name associated with that account as well, along with the email address. So please go ahead and try to fill in this information. So you want to go ahead and put like the email address that was associated with like your banned account and stuff like that. So please go ahead and select on that. Then where it says what device, you want to go ahead and of course select on mobile, Android, or if you're on an iPad or iPhone, that is something that you guys can go ahead and select. And from here, where it says type of category, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see moderation. Then you want to go ahead and press on help subcategory type. And from here, go ahead and select on I was wrongly moderated for my behavior or the behavior of an alternate account. So please go ahead and select on that. And then from here, you want to go ahead and describe your issue, and you want to explain to them why you believe the ban was a mistake and provide context for the incident. You want to be polite, concise, and include relevant details. So you want to go ahead and explain to them your situation and stuff like that. And then they should actually get back to you within like 3 business days, but sometimes it does take a couple of weeks. So it really all depends on like the complexity of the situation. So that is definitely a factor that you need to keep in mind. And also, if you got like banned for a temporary reason, like 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days, you can just wait it out until it expires, because temporary bans automatically lift after the specified period, allowing you to regain access. So again, you want to consistently check your Roblox notifications if there's any updates or information. So if your appeal was denied and the ban is already permanent, chances are you will need to create a brand new Roblox account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.